This is my review of the Nogaro seat made by Cobra in the UK. I wanted a seat that was going to offer more support than the stock seat at track days and spirited driving, but was also daily drivable. You'll see throughout this video that this car is my daily driver. It's in good daily driver condition. It's not a concourse car or anything, but it's also not a track beater. This was a good fit because it's designed specifically to be able to accommodate both harnesses, should I decide to install those in the future, but also the 3-point factory style belts. A lot of the track style seats don't work well with the factory 3-point because the lap belt won't fit tightly across your lap. But you'll see that the receptacle for the belt is well above the highest point of the seat so that the seat doesn't obstruct the 3-point belt in any way. Cobra really went out of their way to make this a safe seat for use on the street, and it shows. Furthermore, this seat has got a lot more bolstering, especially around the hips, than the factory seat does, but not nearly as much as, say, a pole position or our other Cobra containment seat that we have in our Mark IV track car. You'll see that it looks very much at home inside the leather interior of the M5. The black color is almost identical to what I've got, and yeah, it's got that white deviated stitching. You don't really notice, it doesn't stand out that much, and of course it says Cobra on it, but I think that it doesn't scream aftermarket seat inside the car. It looks very at home, which I really like about it, especially considering I didn't want to do two of them. For one lap of America, it's nice to have that extra support when you're driving, but that passenger seat that fully reclines is really great for the long transits when the co-driver can take a nap over there. I'm demonstrating here that I actually was able to retain the power seat functions fore and aft, and also the seat bottom tilting up and down, which effectively really reclines the seat because it's a fixed back seat. I did this with a very trick Bray Krause mount that adapts to factory sliders. My only complaint was these lower seat cushions were really thick as delivered from the factory. I actually took the foam out of both these lower cushions. I cut them down so they'd be a little bit thinner, and that's made the seat a lot more comfortable because I feel like I sit down in it as opposed to just kind of on it with my hips on those side bolsters. Overall, I would recommend these for the E39 or for really any other dual-purpose car. Really nice quality, very comfortable once you modify the lower seat cushion. If anyone else has got some experience with these, please drop some comments, or you got some questions you're interested in getting one, let us know.